Pancakeswap Holders doing at this time a very big mistake. Holders, so be alert and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you are safe from the loss. Keep watching this video for more details and click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Let's move on. First of all, we look the latest update, and after that we discuss that what's going on in this time in a file, say Pancakeswap. You can see here. Now the latest price of the Pancakeswap in the market is 18.2 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Pancakeswap. On the other side, if you look the price changes in the Pancakeswap, so absolutely the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price changes in the Pancakeswap is going negative. The price is very badly falls down in the Pancakeswap. What's going on this time? As you can see, the every time price change in the Pancakeswap is going down. Let's see the price chart. You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Pancakeswap. Oh my god, it's absolutely, I'm very shocked to see, I'm very angry to see this kind of change occur in the Pancakeswap. Believe me my friends, I'm very angry to the Pancakeswap. What's going on in this time? You can see here my friends, if you look the price changes occurs in the Pancakeswap in the last 1 month, so negative 47.86% price falls down. Now for my friends, if you decide to sell Pancakeswap at this time, so you are in the loss because the last 1 month price change is negative, so you are in the loss. And the other side, if you decide to hold, so maybe there's a lot of chances to take a huge pump. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from the Pancake. What do you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Pancakeswap? Please share in the comment box. And my prediction is 100% positive. I believe in the start of June there will be a huge pump occurs in the Pancakeswap. What do you think? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.